Hello my friend, this is MRT Model channel. Today I want to review this beautiful forklift from AA model, double brand, and this is a beautiful heavy machine. Thank you to watching the video until the end and leave your comments.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. to protect.